I'm going to show you how to work with a radiant energy, the energy that brings in vitality and spontaneous healing energy and joy. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. We are going to do the 9 hearts or 13 hearts or however many hearts you'd like to do. All you're going to do is trace hearts 3 times around your face, nice and slow or as fast as you'd like. You can do 3 hearts on your torso and then 3 hearts all the way around your body. I tend to do 3 hearts by the head, 3 hearts on the chest, 3 hearts by your sexual organs, and then 3 hearts on your overall body, followed by 1 heart out into the world. This is something that can really help you integrate any of the other energy work that you have been doing. It also helps activate your joy. It's all about radiant circuits is all about spontaneous energy. They don't have a path in the body. They jump to where they're needed, and they really strengthen your overall energy and vitality. This is something that anyone can do anytime, anywhere. Until next time, keep moving energies.